Hey guys, this is my unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. Let's open her up. Comes with her receipt. Here is the box. So a little backstory, I have been wanting this bag since September, October, and I was literally stalking the Louis Vuitton website for weeks and it never popped up. And then this past weekend it just all of a sudden came on and I knew I had to get it right away, because even though this has been out for a long time, people still want it, and I was lucky enough to be able to place an order online, and here she is. So let's go ahead and unbox her. Okay, here we go. Let's open her up. I have not seen this in person, so hopefully she's all good. Oh, there's a little peek. So, here she is. The Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna take a look at her real quick because I want to make sure everything looks good. Here's an up close look. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube. Still has the little protection for the... So let's take out the strap. Oh my gosh. And she is made in France. I don't know if that'll focus. There you go, made in France. And this is the SKU number. My gosh, I can't believe she's finally here. She looks pretty good. This is one continuous canvas. Doesn't have any pockets inside, it's just one interior. Mine was made, you'll see it behind the tab here. It was made this year of the 5th week, so that's about sometime in January. This is right here. So this was just made this year, 2020. It doesn't have an adjustable strap. It's just one length. It's LV on there. So I wanted to see what fits. Let's see if the mini pochette and damier azur fits in there. Probably have to put it vertically. Let's see diagonally would fit. I don't think that will fit in there. I think it's about almost the same length, and since the opening is only that big, I don't think it's gonna fit in there. So the mini pochette does not fit. I don't think this is gonna fit. This is a toiletry 15. I'm just gonna show it for size comparison. It's about the same height. I don't think this is gonna fit in here either, so not this one either. Okay, I will try this one. Is my iPhone 8 Plus, so let's see if I can fit this one. It does fit, so the larger phones do fit, so you have to strategically put it in to let it fit. So it does fit in there in case you need to have your hands free. It does fit. First is the envelope, the carte visite, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's just a flat wallet with a couple of card inserts and room for more in the back. The next is my 6-key ring holder and damier graphite. Some tissues. Next is my key clay and damier graphite, which I also use as a coin purse. A couple of lip products. One's from Kylie Cosmetics and Tarte. And of course, my iPhone 8 Plus. I admit it's a little difficult to put it in, but you just kind of have to adjust the things that you want to bring to make everything fit. And here it is for last look of the Nano Speedy.